As a leading health IT company, Modernizing Medicine is transforming how information is created, consumed, and utilized with our cloud, mobile, and touch-based suite of specialty-specific solutions built by practicing physicians. This includes Patient Kiosk. Our interactive kiosk is a native iPad application designed for self-service tasks such as completing patient intake forms.
The main driver behind the kiosk project was really our vision of moving towards a paperless office flow. For medical offices, by using a kiosk, you get faster check-ins and reduction of duplicate entry and human error.
This is truly a device that has to sit out in a waiting room and be useful from all walks of life, from all backgrounds, from all abilities, for them to really take advantage of what the system can truly do. And so it posed a unique set of challenges for our own development team. They really embraced with both hands and said, let's really think about this from a design perspective.
Our team has really honed in the empathetic approach of being one with the patient. We used a user-centered design methodology for the kiosk project. This began with ethnographic research and on-site observation at doctors' offices. After collecting all of our preliminary data, we then hit the paper and whiteboards to brainstorm and iterate using design sprints. Each step of the project went through various prototypes and design iterations using guerrilla testing, one-on-one user testing, and eye tracking research strategies. One of my favorite features in the kiosk is the pharmacy map search. With our iterative approach, we streamlined that whole process by integrating conversational UI and an interactive map where users can easily locate their pharmacy.
Every year there seems to be more paperwork, and the longer it takes them in the office, the longer it takes them to get back to see us in the back as physicians. So the introduction of kiosk is really streamlining that process. For the staff, it decreases the burden on their part to collate, to staple, to provide pen and paper and a clipboard. Instead, they can just hand them an iPad and open up the screen for the patient to then fill out.
From a patient standpoint, the value comes from empowering that patient by making him part of the healthcare conversation.
So kiosk in the future is really about further patient engagement.
In the future, we'll incorporate machine learning to enhance the experience of populating data through conversational searches in the healthcare database.
Healthcare is going to need to invest more in extending the patient journey beyond the clinical environment, and the patient kiosk is a great way for them to bridge that journey.